Hi. Over the past few years, I've been deeply involved in demand-side flexibility in Europe and beyond. And in Belgium, in that time period, a couple of stakeholders really took a leadership role in unlocking demand-side flexibility from industrial users. That brought a lot of volume to balancing markets, and also it offered an opportunity for export to other countries in Europe, to Japan, and to the US for that developed technology. Today, we're facing a new challenge with B2C flexibility. And I think the question really is how to bring B2C flex in a scalable and cost-efficient way to wholesale markets. We can again take a leadership position there, and I believe that's really key.